Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I was going through this report of Greaves Cotton share and I just noticed very interesting thing here. So I thought I'll be sharing with you all today. So the day I'm recording this video is 18th November. As you can check my system time here. And in this particular month itself, in the last week alone, the promoter has bought this share continuously. You can see 11th November, that is like just 7 days back, the promoter has started buying this share at 68.5, and now it is currently trading at 74.75 as of 18th November end. You can see this, that is almost like 6 rupees. It is 6 rupees up. So from right from that 68, he has now until this 73 rupees, the promoter has kept on buying the share. So he has started buying from 9th November. You can check the date here. Up till 14th November, he has bought almost around like 0.18 percentage of share. You can see 6.18 before starting, and now it is 6.36. So almost 0.18 percentage he has bought. So by this itself, you can make your mind whether you need to whether invest in the share or not at this particular time range. But this factor alone is not a good way to decide it. So let me show you something else also in very interesting. So if you see this 1 year chart of this Greaves Cotton share, right, it was trading around 140 to 120 range. You can see this one for almost 5 months, that is from November till February. And from February it has fallen almost 50% from 140 to 70 rupees. That is a very bad fall, but we all know why it has fallen in this particular time frame. That was due to corona. So after it has fallen again, you can see it has gone up till 90, but from that 90 again it has come back to this range, and it's kept on consolidating in this time frame from almost April till November. Almost like it's been more than 6 months, it's just consolidating in this range. And what is very good thing is from 90 again it has come back till 71. See here 71, then again it has gone back till 90. You can see this 89, again from 89 it has come back till 69. So that means this 90 is acting as a very good resistance, and this 66 is acting like a good support. Even the 52-week low is 66. So that means this is a very good time to enter this share, and you can keep a stop loss of around 60 rupees. That is, your risk will be 14 rupees. If you ask me, 74 minus 60 is 14. So it's almost 74.75. I mean, so it's like 15 rupees. Even if you make round of this one, right, 75 rupees, if you're planning to buy tomorrow morning, if you're entering at even 75 rupees, you can keep a stop loss of 65. If you're if you don't want to risk very much, if you can take one more step ahead, you can go for a stop loss of around 60 rupees. So like maximum risk you're taking is 15 rupees per share, but you can see a up movement of almost 50%. That is like it will definitely go back to this original level around 140 rupees. So your risk to reward ratio is very high here. Actually, it's very good if you see. So again, this is the second factor. So first factor why you need to buy the share was this one. This is one of the reason. Second reason is your risk is very low actually compared to the reward. So that is the second factor. Third thing, you can just go through this company actually. If you have not traded on the share, like me, I currently my holding in this share is zero. So I am planning to start investing in the share from tomorrow. So I just went through all this lot of details on about this company, what exactly it's doing, what are its like in what all like this company is diversified or not. And if you ask me why I chose this particular company, it was due to this Ampere. So on YouTube I just saw an ad on Ampere electric vehicle, that is electric bike today. So then they also mentioned that it's from Greaves. So I just thought this Greaves, I have already seen this share somewhere. So then when I googled it, I found out this Greaves Cotton is the no, this electric vehicle company Ampere is subsidiary of this Greaves Cotton. So that was one interesting thing, because I was looking for this investing in this electric vehicles, actually electric vehicle segment. So if you see, currently in India there are like three to four shareholders in electric vehicle companies, listed companies, like Tata Motors, Bajaj, and then Hero Motors, and then this Greaves Cotton also. Now today only I understood this one. So Hero is already having very good market, if you ask me, because yeah, they have indirectly investing into this Ather bike company. Then you already know Bajaj has bought their Chetak electric bike. Then Tata Motors also has bought a lot of new bikes in the electric segment. So let's not deviate, actually. So this is just one of the subsidiary. But when I went through their website, actually, they have very diversified this one. You can check this one. They are into engines, they are into power manufacturing, this one they're into agriculture, then lot of other things. Then I have opened like each of this web page in a new this one. You can see this one, and I've gone through all this. You can also just go through all of them. So they have very diversified portfolio. Along with this is the last one, Ampere, that is the electric bike also. And along with this electric bike, recently when I went through their portfolio, I mean annual report from this BAC, I came to know they've recently even acquired a three-wheeler, this one also. We can just even check it here. Best vehicle. Yeah, see this report, you can just check this one. So I just googled randomly, but still I got this search. You can see this one. Ampere Vehicles foray into electric three-wheeler, acquire 74% stake in Bestway. So even into three vehicle segment also, they have acquired one company with 74% stake. That is very good, this one. And when I went through their report, right, annual report, even they had given, currently in India they own 20% of the market share in electric vehicle. So that is really a good thing, actually. And because in India, just like from last 2 years, the electric vehicle segment has increased, and one very good additional factor to that is even the government has started supporting. They are giving a lot of incentives and all. So in the coming years, electric vehicle demand will definitely keep on going high. So, but that alone is not a very good factor for this company, because they have very good competition also. A lot of other established companies are also there, but this is also a very good established company, because when I went through their website, right, see this one, since 1859 this company is there. But this Ampere, this one obviously is not there from this time range. They have started this very recently. So again, coming back to this balance sheet and all, we'll look into about this company. So coming to the balance sheet, they had almost debt free, as it's given here. But recently their debt had increased. When I went through the report, you can see here their borrowing was zero till 2018 quarter, but in 2019 you can see it's increased, and 2020 it's almost doubled, or more than that. But again, if you see the September quarter, it's decreased, actually. So that is a good sign. So if you see the market capitalization also for this particular range, you can see the other shares current market price. It's huge, actually. Even for this company, you can see this, it's trading around more than 100, but this is available at little low price. So it's a good time to enter this share now, according to me. But of course, you need to analyze yourself. You can't just go ahead by just my words. You need to analyze this company by from your point of view also, and then make a decision. But for me, it looked attractive, even though the quarterly sales and profit were in negative. But this is very acceptable because of the last quarter situation. You all know very well. So this is kind of acceptable, actually. So leaving this one, I always, when I want to buy a share, right, I always look into this mutual fund holdings also. So when I went through the mutual fund holdings for this particular share, you can see most of the mutual funds have invested in this company also. You can see this one. So that is also one good sign, but it's not like huge number of mutual funds. You can see there are like almost like 10 mutual funds, that's all, but it is okay. All of this mutual funds, ICICI, L&T, Aditya Birla, all these are very decent mutual funds, and when they have invested, obviously they would have also put into their, they would have also done good research, and then only they would have entered this share. So that is also one good sign for us to enter this one. And even if you see the last 3 months, right, the buyers, only buyers are there in the last 2 months, and there are no sellers for this particular share in the mutual fund point of view also. And I already showed you the insider trading report also in the beginning, also in the beginning itself. So just last 1 week itself, the promoter has been buying the share continuously. So this is like very very good factor actually. And when we are also able to buy this share at a stealer price, when I meant stealing stealer price, this was the reason, because it's all available at very close to 52-week low, and it has not fallen to this range due to some other bad reasons, very well why this fall has is observed here. So all these things make me very interesting into enter this share actually. So I have gone through all this diversified portfolio of this company, where all they are invested and all. Even their global footprint also is very good actually. If you can see this, they are not just in India, but throughout the world, in most of the countries they are there. So that is also a very good point actually. So they have customers all around the world. So that is very good. One more good point actually. And the main reason, like I said, this electric vehicle, that is one of the thing which we can see very much demand in the upcoming years. So that is one very good news actually. So all these things have totally made my mind to invest in the share. So obviously tomorrow I'll be investing, but in a limited quantity. I am not suggesting you to put all your 100% money into this one particular share. Like you can just invest like maximum 10% of your total money, and then you can see, depending on the next quarterly results, then you can make up your mind. So I even if you're entering also, like I said in the beginning of the video itself, you can keep a stop loss maximum of 60 rupees. Below that, don't wait for this share. And upward move, it will definitely, I'm expecting it to break 100 where, as soon as it's overcoming this resistance. Like I said, this 90 rupees, around 90 rupees, it's a very strong resistance for this share. So once that 90 is broken, we can definitely expect a very good up move in this particular share. So I hope you all like this video analysis, I mean share analysis on this Greaves Cotton share. Do leave your comments, valuable feedback, and if you have already analyzed something about this share, even leave that in the comment section if I have missed that particular point, so it will be useful for others also. This is my first video on the share analysis. All these days I had been making videos on the gardening and other things. So I hope you all liked it. Thank you. Have a wonderful day and keep making profit. Thank you.